Hi everyone, this is Charles from ChainZilla. Today I'm with you to show you how easy it is to create a mosaic, which is an asset on NEM using their graphical interface. And what you're going to do, you're going to want to fund the wallet with at least 110 NEM. That is what it costs to create a mosaic. Before you create a mosaic, you actually have to create a namespace, and that's what we're going to do now. So if you go to the Services tab, you will navigate to the namespace and subdomains, and you will create a new namespace. So we're going to select New Root Namespace, and we'll give it a name. We'll give it ChainZilla, just to symbolize our test asset, and it'll ask you for the wallet password. Once you're finished inserting the password, you click register, and what will happen is that a transaction will take place in the back end. And this transaction costs 100 XEM. What we're going to do is we're going to now navigate to the Services tab once more, and we're going to navigate to the Create Mosaic option. And this will allow us to select the namespace we just created and create a mosaic, which is the asset on the namespace. I'll give it a few moments. It's most likely still confirming. Okay, and once you see that your namespace has been populated, you can select it, and this is where you start configuring the asset. So I will just make this very simple. I'll make it an initial supply of 11 million. I will make it a transferable, non-mutable, and I will add 6 decimal points. Now we are going to give our test mosaic a name, so we'll call it ChainZilla as well. You can add a description to the asset once you're done, just to give you a bit of a more broad description if you need. However, this is a test asset, so we're not going to do that. And it'll ask you for your password once more. And the same process will take place. Once you click send, a transaction will happen in the back end, and your mosaic will be created. Once the transaction is successful, you can navigate to the Explorer tab, and the job of creating the mosaic is done. You've already created it in less than 3 minutes, and what we can do now is that we can go to the Explorer just to see if the asset shows up on the Explorer. Now in the Explorer tab, you can either select the namespaces. You can also click namespaces in mosaic, and it'll take you to a different tab where you can use the search option and search for the actual mosaic. So here we would type in the Zilla test, and you can select the asset from the list, the namespace, and then you would select the mosaic, and it will show you the initial supply. So basically we've created the token already, and you're ready to distribute it. And this is how easy it is to create an asset on NEM. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions or you want to launch your own asset or your own application on NEM, please contact ChainZilla. Write us at hello@chainzilla.io. Thank you guys. Have a great day.